Oh.
He got a bear instead of a unicorn.
That's so cute.
That's there's another one.
Open,
Go,
open.
go, go.
Sana si David?
Do I have a gift?
David ka.
May regalo ba si David dyan?
Ay, yung gift. Say, David, yung gift mo nandito.
Balaeng Rene.
Sabon.
Sabon. Lotion. Oh.
What's this?
Oh, moisturizing body wash. Ganda.
Wow.
Next.
Thank you, Balaeng. This one is from Shirley. Sheila.
It's not working.
No, we have to put a battery. Later we put a battery. Andyan sa bag. Nandun sa rainbow.
What's this? A book?
Sino nagbigay?
Si ate.
Oh.
What's this?
Oh, Grace. No, it's ano yan?
Wala ko.
Perfume?